Hmm. I wonder if sound waves can move an object. I think I'll ask Captain Sonic Boom.
Ha-ha! How may I help you, good sir?
Yes, I have a question, Captain Sonic Boom. Can sound waves move an object?
It's a great question. We shall see. To the lab. Well, Travis, what we're going to do here is we're going to try to move these two objects with this here guitar and this here amp. Are you ready?
Aye, Captain.
Sound girl, I need more power. Well, Travis, I guess sound really can make objects move.
Thank you, Captain Sonic Boom. You saved the day.
My pleasure. Hey, sound girl, just come on over here. Let me show you what some real power look like.